Namaste students. In this video we are going to see trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Now let us find values of some trigonometric ratios. In particular, now we see trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. For that, I am going to consider a right triangle. First, consider a triangle ABC right angled at B. This is a triangle. Name the triangle and it is 90 degree at angle B. And then I am going to consider that angle C. ACB is equal to 45 degree. What about angle A? By angle sum property, we can tell that angle A is 45 degree. So angle A is equal to angle C. Since the angles are equal, we can tell that the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So we can tell that the sides are equal. AB is equal to BC. Let AB is equal to BC is equal to A. That I am going to take it as A. Side AB is equal to BC is equal to A. So we have to find the missing side by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute the value for AB and BC. Then you will get 2A square. Shift the square to that side. Then you will get root 2A square. So the AC is root 2A. The missing side is root 2A. Now see the figure. AB is equal to A, BC is equal to A and AC is equal to root 2A. Then 45 degree. With respect to 45 degree, we can take either angle A or either angle C. The opposite and adjacent side will be A only. Both are same. So we can take angle A and angle C also. Since both are 45 degree. So sine 45 degree is equal to opposite by hypotenuse and substitute opposite is A and hypotenuse is root 2A. We can cancel A. Then the answer is 1 by root 2. Like this you have to find for cos 45 degree and tan 45 degree. And then sine inverse is cosecant. Sine value is 1 by root 2, that is sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, then cosecant 45 degree is root 2 and cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and secant 45 degree is equal to root 2, reciprocal of cos, and then tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and the reciprocal of 1 is always 1 only. So cot 45 degree is also 1. Both tan 45 degree and cot 45 degree, the answer is 1. Now we know the trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. Like this we can find for remaining angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. For all the angles we can find. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.